Hey everybody, welcome back. Hey, I bought this and it's the Bora Portmate wood rack. As you can see, I was going to build one, and I decided to go ahead and buy one just to see maybe you guys will like it and if it works right. Now this gives you a lot of good options, but let's go ahead and get these open. Alrighty. I couldn't play basketball. So it comes with the two rails that are going to go against the wall itself. This will go up here. So I have racks there. Like I said, I was going to build one, but I decided, well, I'm going to get this just to see, you know, if it's worth it, if it's not. And, you know, most woodworkers can build their own. But I figured, well, what the heck, I'll do it for the channel and for you guys, see if it's worth it. You know, it just may be something that you need to get done real quick. And we'll kind of go from there. So it's going to go like that. These are offset. Now these are offset marks here, as you can see, thicker here. So that way it will cock this way when it's sitting on the wall. Let's go and get it together. You have to choose, you have an up and a down on this. And the one that has the hole right here that is on the very lowest part, it's about a 1/2 inch off. And then each one of these holes get a screw. Then this is where you're going to bolt it to the wall with these. Go ahead and put this bottom one on, like I said, and you want this notch that goes to the up or to the down side. Come on, get on there. They are a tight one. Then, actually, I can just use this. And what this is supposed to do is hold that right there. Now the weight on it is actually going to bind it, but this the screw just doesn't allow it to go any further down. So let's go and get the rest of this put up. Okay, so what they say is what this can carry is 100 pounds on each level. So 600 pounds total, but 100 pounds on each level, which, you know, if you're going to stack a bunch of wood, this might not be the one for you. We'll go ahead and get some screws ready, get the wall marked out, and get it put up. Okay, what I'm going to use here is this. It's a 4-inch long, so it will actually go through this, go through the drywall and into the stud and give enough anchor to it. And that should be enough to hold it up on the wall. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get this set up. That way I'll know where to go on that stud. So I will I'll run a line on each one and we'll go and get them put up. Now I got to make room here like that, so taking this here, I'm going to need to miss that. So it'll set up about that high. So I can get one put in, and then I can make sure it's level all the way up and get the other two in. That's what I'm talking about. Simple shelf. Well, it didn't take long to put up. It was actually quite easy. I didn't get the satisfaction of making the wood rack, but I would say all in all, this isn't bad. If you don't want to make one and you need just something quick, get some lumber like this up off the ground and put up. I did put it on 4 foot. If you want this or the link to it, I'll put it in the description if you want to. It was actually pretty cheap. So I don't remember offhand what it was, but I will put it in the link. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Next project's coming up. We're gonna go ahead and start our outfeed table. We're gonna do an outfeed assembly table since this is a small shop. And what we're gonna go ahead and do is the price, I'm gonna try to keep it down as low as I can within reason, but I got one heck of a deal on a top for it. So I won't be making the top. I bought that and I couldn't buy the material for what I bought the top for. So hopefully you'll want to watch that. So I hope you tune in for that. If you would, please subscribe, hit that bell notification, let you know when another video comes out. Until next time, keep smiling, keep making. I'll see you.